Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. Welcome to my tube. I work thousands of IRS cases. I got many YouTubes up. I have many subscribers. One of the reasons I'm an author of a best-selling book. I'm not selling the book, so don't worry. I'm not like that. But I want to talk to you today about back business taxes. For the government, I used to actually go out and knock on doors, see stuff, and collect stuff, and make sure you go ahead and you file and pay all your taxes. So if you have back business returns that you have to file, most people just don't know what to do. They stop, they're not sure. I don't like my accountant, this has happened, that happened, but you still got to file your back business. I hear it all on this phone that's sitting in front of me. I hear everyone why you don't file your returns. As an agent, I really don't care. I just need your tax returns filed. That's it. So the problem is you haven't really picked anybody and you need somebody. So at the end of the day, just so you know, I have a practice, bunch of former IRS agents. So when you have back tax returns to do, one thing you want to do is you want to make sure you match your returns up with what IRS has in their file. IRS has certain transcripts available. So before you file, you pull up your IRS transcripts. There's 4 different type of transcripts. You pull all the information up and you start that as a base to file your tax returns. Now, most people don't like to file them because they know they got to pay them. So there's like a double-edged sword. Got to file, got to pay. I better stop. I don't know what to do. Do I retreat? Well, anyway, listen, let me make this really easy for you. So as an agent, if I were to knock on your door, the first thing I want to do, first 2 questions always, have you filed all your returns and are you current? Which means for this month, today, are you making estimate payments, business taxes, 941s? They want to know you've stopped the problem. So whatever you're doing, put everything down and make sure this month you're doing everything that you need to do. This way, you show IRS that yes, you're trying to change around and you're doing everything right. So we can get you all caught up and do all this stuff, file the returns, work out an agreement with IRS. But if you don't call me, you need to make sure you file all your current stuff today, which means this month, if you have a payment due on any tax for business or personal, make sure you make that payment because IRS wants to know you've stopped the problem. Now you're going to say, well, I don't know how much I need to pay. Well, that's why you call somebody. What you need is someone to put administrative order in your taxes so you stop the problem. And most times people can't do it for themselves. So anyway, I just want you to know I'm available. But if you're going to do this yourself, make sure you this month, start doing the right thing so you tell IRS, well, I got a white hat on, I've stopped the problem. That's all I got. If you need me, call me. Got a bunch of former IRS agents here to help you. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription. I try to tell you what's important to you. Thank you.